Here's a solid script for your RedMagic 10 Pro video, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the beast of gaming smartphones, the RedMagic 10 Pro. This phone is built for serious gamers and power users who want the best performance without compromise. Let's start with the features. Under the hood, the RedMagic 10 Pro is powered by the latest flagship processor paired with a high-performance GPU. This means smoother gameplay, faster app launches, and seamless multitasking. The phone comes with an advanced cooling system, ensuring it stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. With up to 24 GB of RAM and massive storage options, you won't have to worry about lag or running out of space. The display is a top-tier AMOLED panel with a super high refresh rate, delivering ultra-responsive gaming and a buttery-smooth experience. Touch sampling has been improved, making every tap and swipe feel instant. Battery life is another highlight, with a large capacity and insanely fast charging that gets you back to gaming in minutes. Now let's talk about the exterior. The RedMagic 10 Pro continues the brand's aggressive gaming aesthetic with a futuristic design. The back panel features customizable RGB lighting, giving it that true gamer vibe. The shoulder triggers have been upgraded for faster response times, making them even more useful for competitive gaming. The overall build quality feels premium, with a mix of metal and glass that gives it a solid and durable feel. The speakers are loud and clear, providing an immersive sound experience whether you're gaming or watching content. So what's the final verdict? Should you get the RedMagic 10 Pro if you're into gaming and want a phone that prioritizes performance over everything else? This is a no-brainer. It delivers incredible speed, top-tier cooling, and features designed specifically for gamers. Even if you're not a hardcore gamer, the powerful hardware and stunning display make it a great choice for anyone who loves high-end smartphones. RedMagic has once again proven that they know how to build a gaming powerhouse. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech content. See you in the next one.